Hello my people, welcome again to Sheillah's Kitchen. Today we have a very amazing recipe of potato lyonnaise. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this. So walk through with me step by step and let's enjoy this yummy. So we will start by heating our oil, and then we fry our potatoes that I washed and cut into full moons. We will fry them on very high heat and make sure they don't stick together in the pot. Just let them be there freely. Don't put them so much so they don't be soggy. They fry until they're crunchy, just as you can see there. Very crunchy. They didn't stick to each other. And remove them and we'll put them on our paper towel to take out the excess oil. Oh, when I wash the potatoes, I soak them in salty water. So the potatoes have salt, enough salt. So we will repeat the process until we finish all our potatoes that we had cut. Now in our pan we will heat just 1 tablespoon of oil, just 1 tablespoon. Very little oil because we have deep fried the potatoes. Just we will saute the onions. I cut 3 medium-sized onions. We'll saute the potatoes for 2 to 3 minutes until they're soft. So when the onions are soft like this, we'll add in our spices. You can add the spices of your choice. For me, I added paprika, cayenne pepper, and oregano. So we'll saute this. So that's giving us nice color and flavor. After you saute for at least 1 minute, then we will add in our potatoes. All the excess oil has been taken by the paper towel. So we will saute this again. Make sure we mix them well. You see our potato lyonnaise are coming out so well. As you can see, oh my god, it looks so delicious. I just want to start eating already. Okay, we'll finish up with our chopped coriander. And our meal is ready, guys. You can see it's so amazing. It looks so delicious. It's not oily. Just use very little oil. It's so nice, guys. And it's ready to serve. Serve and enjoy, guys. You can have this for breakfast. You can have this for lunch. You can have this for dinner. And you can have it to the drink of your choice. Thank you guys for watching. See you.